Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll learn how to log out Twitter account. First of all, open your Twitter application. There you cannot find logout option anywhere when you try to find it. So how do you get logged out on Twitter? It is easy. First of all, tap on your profile on the top left corner and then scroll below. There you can see settings and support. Tap on it and then the drop down menu will open. On the drop down menu, again tap on settings and privacy. Now you can see your account on the first option. Tap on it and then tap on account information. Now you can see logout text written in red color. Tap on it and that is how you can log out on Twitter. So that is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.